Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and I'm going to show you something really cool. I'm going to show you how to check all of the places that you have ever been on Google Maps. Go ahead and open up your Google Maps and then click your profile in the upper right hand side. Then you want to choose your timeline. Now here guys, you want to go ahead and choose places. And once you tap on that guys, you want to scroll down and you will see all the different places. So you see here that over the beginning of time since I have this Google account, it basically I've been to over 209 shops, 229 food and drink places, some control places, some hotels here, um, basically airports, attraction, sports, all of these things, right? And you can open up any one of them and you can see. So if I want to look in, for example, some food places or some shopping, I can easily open it and it shows you the dates as well, where I was yesterday. Scroll all the way back to the beginning of time, and you can see where I was. For example, it says 6 years ago I visited Primark, and it can show you where it is and all of this kind of stuff. So if I want to see what this place was, I can open it and it basically shows me the location, and it mentions, hey, this was XYZ and all of those good stuff. So guys, yeah, if you were curious to find all of those places that you've been, this kind of data, I think that it could be really good information to actually see, right? So if you want to see that, guys, and you want to see your history, what you are up to, places you've been, this is a good way how to find it. So that's it, guys. That's how to check all the places that you have been on your Google Maps account, guys.